how easy that process is. Choose 2000 by 2000 pixels. That's what the Amazon recommended size is, so that it looks kind of natural. I'm sure this is not going to be readable. If you want to get more buyers to be clicking on your listing, you've got to be using the best images to stand out from your competitors. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can do that, and I'll also be revealing one hack that will help you boost your sales on Amazon if you watch this video till the end. Hi, I'm Saloni Parmar. I'm the co-founder of Advertising Saga, where we help good brands become great by partnering with them and helping them scale their business on Amazon. I keep listening to a lot of Amazon sellers constantly complaining about their sales. They keep saying that their sales are not increasing, their ACOS is shooting up, their ad spends are increasing, their budgets are increasing, but the sales is not increasing. The major reason why this is happening is because you're not able to convince the buyer click on your listing when they come finding your product on Amazon. For this, I will give you a live demo on how you can do it better and how you can get these buyers to click on your listing and stand out from your competitors. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so now you're watching my screen and I'll be showing you how you can improvise your first image to make sure that a lot more buyers come and click on your listing when they come searching for a product that you are selling, and how you can actually stand out from your competitors. Why this is important is because when someone comes searching for your product and when there are so many competitors selling the same thing, it's difficult to grab attention in such a noisy market, and in that case you need to get a little different and you need to know how you can stand out. So I'll just show you how easy that process is. Let's choose a term, jaggery powder. Now see, when we are searching for jaggery powder, can you see that there are a lot of people selling jaggery powder? Yes, but no one's doing anything differently. They all have different packaging, different colors, different price point, different reviews, everything is there. But still, if I want to do something differently, something better, so that the moment someone sees my listing, they feel like clicking on it and coming on my listing and ending up purchasing from me, right? So for that we need to do something better. Let's choose one of these products. Let's save it up, and we'll be using a tool called Canva. Now this tool, it has a paid and a free version. I'm not sure what kind of features are available in the free version, but I have a paid version, and let's choose 2000 by 2000 pixels. That's what the Amazon recommended size is. We'll go to uploads and we will upload our image. You can see how quick it is. You can remove the background and you can pull up and zoom in the image. The one thing that was really nice about this image is it has a beautiful packaging, and it was completely stretched out so that it uses out the maximum white space, which is recommended because the image needs to be popping out when we look at them in the first image. They need to use maximum white space available for them, and why not if it's available. Now what we can do is we can find for jaggery powder, see all, and let's see which one will suit my image better. It's taking time to upload. Alright, I need a heap of jaggery powder. I'm kind of not a fan of the bowls. Let me write down heap. Yes, yeah, I like something like this. Remove the background to it so that it looks kind of natural. Now I'm using something that's online because I don't have this product with me. If you guys choose to do that with your original product, it's much better. And the reason you should actually show this outside your packaging, because you've given them an idea of how the packaging looks like, but they don't know how the product will look like in the packaging. The texture, how fine the powder is, what's the color of the powder. When they see the original product outside the packaging, they get a better idea of what they are buying into, and this will also kind of push them to click on your listing because you're giving them a fair idea. You're not leaving them to guess how the product is going to be, how good it is going to be, or what exactly they are looking for. This is exactly what I'm looking for, and I'm going for this because I know you've not left it on my guesswork that what this is going to be. So it's much obvious and much easier for me to choose this product. Now what I can do is I can also put a few jaggery pieces in the background with a bowl. Something like this works. I'll again remove the background. This is kind of my favorite feature in Canva. I'm getting it behind the packaging because it's just there to give it an obvious feel that this is made out of jaggery. So that's why, I'm not an editor, so I'm just doing a very random thing. Now there is one more thing that I think is very much lacking in this packaging. The main keyword is jaggery powder, which, can you guys see, it's written down in such small font and size. If people search this online on the cell phone, I'm sure this is not going to be readable, right? And 85 to 90% of the shopping online happens on cell phone searches, so we need to make it readable. So let's add jaggery, because I'm sure this is going to be the main keyword for this, jaggery powder. And if I type in jaggery powder, and the moment I see their product with their packaging with such bold font of jaggery powder written on it, it will grab my attention. Then okay, fine, this is jaggery powder, I'm looking for this. It has to be in big font. Okay, so this is one thing that you need to take care of. And also one more thing that is very much lacking in this picture is the quantity. Especially when you're selling food items and all, you really need to give them how much quantity they will be getting in that packaging at that price point. So for that, what you can do is probably pick up a sticker like this, a circle, put it up, just match it out with some color on your product packaging so that it doesn't look very weird, and add, I'm assuming this would be 100 grams. I'm not really sure because it's not mentioned, or I'm not able to see it. Either ways, I want it to be very, very obvious and readable, so that when someone's looking at the list, first image, they really get to know that information without a lot of guesswork and problems. So see, this is what I would like to put as my first image. Now let's compare what was the first image and what we have got, the improved version. Now just have a look at, this is the improved version, page 1, and this is the improved version, this is the original version, I'm sorry, my bad, page 2. Now, which one would you guys go ahead and choose if you are searching for jaggery powder online? This one or this one? Please mention it down in the comments. Did you like this hack? Are you going to use it? And which one would you choose? Page 1 or page 2? I'm waiting for your comments, and yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.